Alright, YouTube, I told you guys earlier that we were gonna make a video dropping it. So what you're gonna wanna do is pull these up like that, go on both sides. Well, it really depends what kind of skid steer you got. And then you're gonna wanna fold it back, like tilt it like that, then back on up. And then to put it on, we're gonna come over to our forklifts over here. Come over to the forklifts. And there's this little lever right here, right there. And you just slide it up under there and then you lock it in here. So, he's gonna get that right now. Gotta tilt it more. Okay. And then you're gonna wanna come over and lift it up. Just like so. And you're gonna lock it again. Wait.
You dumbass.
Oh wait, hold on. We screwed up. You gotta put it back down.
I didn't screw up, you did.
Alright, back to that. And you're gonna wanna lift it up again. Yeah, just like that. Then lock it, you're gonna lock it like that. Lock it like that. And then you're gonna come over and check if there's these right here on both sides. Yep, there are, so we're good. Alright, that's how you're gonna wanna unload and upload forklifts. So, see you guys later.